Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Max.
How are you today?
I am not good.
Oh no, what is wrong?
I feel sick.
You feel sick?
Yes, I feel sick.
I am sorry to hear that.
Thank you, Max.
Tell me more. What hurts?
My head hurts.
Your head hurts?
Yes, my head hurts.
Okay, your head hurts.
Yes, and my throat.
Your throat hurts too?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Your head and your throat.
Yes, both hurt.
That sounds bad.
It is bad.
Do you have a fever?
A fever? I do not know.
A fever means you are very hot.
Oh, I understand.
Let me check.
How do you check?
I touch your forehead.
Okay.
May I?
Yes.
You feel warm.
I feel warm?
Yes, I think you have a fever.
I have a fever.
Yes, you have a fever.
What do I do?
I think you need a doctor.
A doctor?
Yes, you need to see a doctor.
Where is a doctor?
There is a clinic near here.
A clinic?
Yes, a clinic is a small doctor's office.
Oh, a small doctor's office.
That is right.
Can we go?
Yes, let's go to the clinic.
Now?
Yes, now. It is important.
Okay. Thank you, Max.
You are welcome. Let me help you up.
Thank you.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, I have my phone.
Do you have your ID?
What is an ID?
An ID is an identity card.
Oh, yes, I have my ID.
Good. Bring your ID.
Why?
The clinic needs your ID.
Okay, I understand.
Bring your phone.
Okay, my phone and my ID.
That is right. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go slowly.
Okay, slowly.
Here we are.
This is the clinic?
Yes, this is the clinic.
It is clean.
Yes, it is very clean.
What do we do?
First, we go to the desk.
The desk?
Yes, the reception desk.
Who is that?
That is the receptionist.
The receptionist.
Yes, the receptionist helps you.
What do I say?
You say you are sick.
Okay, I say I am sick.
Yes, and you need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Good, let's go.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello, I am sick.
I am sorry to hear that. What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Hello, Lily. Do you have an appointment?
An appointment? I do not understand.
An appointment means a time you booked.
Oh, no appointment. That is okay. We take walk-ins. Walk-ins? Yes, walk-ins are people without an appointment. Oh, I am a walk-in. That is right. Do you have your ID? Yes, here is my ID. Thank you, Lily. You are welcome. Please sit down. Sit down? Yes, the doctor will call you. The doctor will call my name? Yes, please wait. How long do I wait? About 15 minutes. 15 minutes, okay.
Let's sit here.
Okay, I am nervous.
Do not be nervous.
Why not?
The doctor is kind.
The doctor is kind?
Yes, the doctor helps people.
Okay, I feel a little better.
Good. Just breathe.
Breathe?
Yes, take a deep breath.
Like this?
Yes, in and out.
In and out.
Good.
Thank you, Max.
You are welcome, Lily.
Lily? Yes, the doctor is ready for you. Okay.
Do you want me to come?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will come with you. Hello, Lily. I am Dr. Green.
Hello, Dr. Green.
And who is this?
I am Max. I am Lily's friend. Hello, Max. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Please, sit down, Lily.
Thank you.
Tell me, how do you feel?
I feel sick.
I see. What hurts?
My head hurts.
Your head hurts.
Yes, and my throat.
Your throat hurts too.
Yes, my throat hurts a lot.
A lot. I understand. Do you have a cough?
A cough? No, no cough.
That is good. Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Very tired. Okay. Let me check your temperature.
How?
With this thermometer.
What is a thermometer?
It checks how hot you are.
Oh, okay.
Open your mouth, please.
Like this? Ah.
Good. Under your tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Just a moment. Okay, 38.5 degrees.
Is that bad?
It is a fever.
A fever?
Yes, you have a fever.
I have a fever.
I told you.
Yes, you told me.
Now, open your mouth again.
Ah.
I want to see your throat.
Ah.
Your throat is red.
Red is bad?
Red means it is sore.
Sore means it hurts.
Yes, you have a sore throat.
A sore throat.
Now I listen to your breathing.
With that,
Yes, this is a stethoscope.
a stethoscope.
It lets me hear your lungs.
My lungs.
Yes, breathe in, please.
In,
Breathe out.
out,
Again, breathe in. Breathe out.
out.
Good. Your lungs sound clear.
Clear means good.
Yes, clear means good.
I am happy.
So you have a fever and a sore throat.
Yes, a fever and a sore throat.
I think it is a small infection.
An infection?
It means germs in your body.
Germs. Oh no.
It is okay. It is common.
Common?
Yes, many people get this.
Okay.
You need medicine.
Medicine?
Yes, medicine will help you.
What kind of medicine?
Pills.
Pills.
Yes, you take them 2 times a day,
2 times a day.
morning and night.
Morning and night.
Exactly.
For how many days?
For 5 days.
5 days.
Yes, take all the pills.
Take all of them?
Yes, even if you feel better,
Why?
to make sure the germs go away.
Oh, I understand.
That is very important.
Okay, I will take all the pills.
Good. You also need rest.
Rest,
Yes, stay home, sleep a lot.
stay home and sleep.
Good. Drink water.
Drink water.
A lot of water.
Okay, water, rest, and pills.
Yes, you are a good patient.
I am?
Yes, you ask good questions.
Thank you, Dr. Green.
You are welcome. Any more questions?
No, I think that is all.
Thank you, doctor. You are welcome. Feel better, Lily.
Thank you.
The receptionist will give you the prescription.
What is a prescription?
A paper for the medicine. Yes, take it to a pharmacy.
A pharmacy.
Where they sell medicine.
Oh, the medicine store.
That is right. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Let's go to the pharmacy.
Where is the pharmacy?
Right here, in the clinic.
Oh, that is easy.
Very easy.
What do I do?
Give them the prescription.
The paper.
Yes, the paper from the doctor.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I have this.
A prescription. Thank you.
The doctor gave it to me.
I see. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
They are preparing your medicine.
How long?
Just a few minutes.
That is fast.
Yes, very fast.
Lily,
Yes?
here is your medicine.
Thank you.
These are the pills.
The pills?
Take 1 pill in the morning
1 pill in the morning,
and 1 pill at night
1 pill at night.
with food.
With food. Okay.
Take them for 5 days.
5 days. Yes.
Do you have questions?
What if my stomach hurts?
If your stomach hurts, eat food first.
Eat food first, then the pill.
Yes, food helps.
Okay. No other questions.
Drink water, not juice.
Why not juice?
Water is better for the medicine.
Okay. Only water.
That's right.
How much does it cost? It is $20.
$20.
Here you are.
Thank you, Max.
You can pay me later.
Okay.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Get well soon.
I will try.
How do you feel now?
Tired, but better.
Better is good.
Yes, the doctor was nice.
I told you.
You were right.
Do you remember what to do?
I think so.
Tell me.
Take 1 pill in the morning.
Yes?
Take 1 pill at night.
Yes?
Take with food.
Good.
Drink lots of water.
Very good.
And rest.
Rest is very important.
Stay home and sleep.
Yes, your body needs time.
Time to fight the germs.
Exactly. You are smart.
Thank you for helping me.
That is what friends are for.
What does that mean?
It means friends help each other.
Oh, that is nice.
Yes, it is nice.
I learned new words today.
You did?
Yes, fever,
Fever,
sore throat,
sore throat,
prescription,
prescription,
pharmacy,
pharmacy,
and pill.
pill. Very good.
English is hard, but I try.
You try very hard.
Thank you, Max.
You are welcome. Now let's get you home.
Home. Yes, I want my bed.
Good idea.
Max,
Yes?
can we come back to the clinic?
Yes, in 5 days.
Why 5 days?
Maybe the doctor wants to check.
Check if I am better?
Yes, a follow-up.
Follow-up. A new word.
Yes, a follow-up visit.
Okay, I will remember.
You remember everything.
I try.
Let's go slowly.
Slowly is good.
Yes, slowly is good.